back to my channel, Robinson Unboxing. I'm Carson. So this channel is me, my husband, my two children. We unbox subscription boxes, mystery boxes, and basically anything. As you can see, I've been doing a lot of videos today. So right now we have Melt Cosmetics. Now they did come out with two new mystery boxes. One was called Bold and one was called Sweet. So I have them both here. Now I did do a Melt Cosmetics one, I'm gonna say a couple months ago. And I mean, it was decent. I really liked about half what was in it. So I'm gonna dive into these and see if I like these as well. So, thing is, so this one I think is the Bold, and this is a Sweet. So the Bold, obviously, the first thing you're gonna see is the bag. I mean, it's hard to say. There you go. So it is a green like velvet. It says Melt. It has the little logo on it. These were quite pricey. Yeah, it says March bundle number 1, which is the Bold one. These were about 68 US each, plus shipping. Plus on top of the normal shipping, because I'm in Canada, it obviously cost me more. So when I went to I had to go to actually the post office, like they just left a notice at my door because I guess they wanted their extra money, right? So it cost me another $29-ish. So I mean, this is getting really up there, probably like $200 for this. So I really hope there's some good things in it. So let's just dive right in. So this is the Ultra Matte Powder. Blends like a cream, smooth buildable coverage of a bronzer, I think. Yeah, bronzer. There's everything on the back except what it is. This is in the shade Malibu. I mean, cute packaging. Alright, and there we go. And you know what? I can probably pull this one off. So I'm super excited about this one. So that's item number 1. Item number 2 is a Gold Ore Digital Dust Highlight. And I do have a highlight from last time. It looks the same, but it's not. So this one is like gold, which is last one I got was like a coppery color last time. So I really like how they like etch all their stuff, like crazy pan. Whoa. You know what? That'd be really nice as a highlighter, but I think like you could even wear it for like eyeshadow because it's gold. So that's item number 2. Item number 3 is Cream Blush Light. And it looks pretty much the same, just a smaller version. So it is in the shade Pink Sand. Okay. I'll hold that up for you. I'm not going to swatch this one because I'm pretty sure I have this. So I need to check on that. Yeah. So that is the 3rd item. 4th is Perfectionist Brow Ultra Fine Pen. What shade is it in? It says Universal Brown. Generally when there's like one just brown color, it's, I don't know, it's like too light for me. Like, I mean, obviously my hair is like, well, I don't even know what word to describe it. Raspberry? No, but I generally have, wow, that's ultra fine. I don't know. It might work. Just like a quick fill in, but it's pretty fine. So this one I'm not too sure about, but I'll try it. Okay, next we have the Perfectionist Lip Pencil. in the shade Corazon. Okay, that's what it's gonna look like. Okay, really nice color, number one. Number two, it is the pencil. It is not creamy. It's kind of like drags on the skin. Do not like that. So that is third to last. So then we have a little bullet. And it is red. It looks red, but it is pink. Pink. So, not a huge fan of pink, but it is what it is. So this is the Fire palette from Melt Cosmetics, which is Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. So I am an Aries. So it's gonna look like this. Ooh, okay, that's not bad. So, I mean, half of them I'd wear. So I'm not huge on orange. So these three top shades, So I will give those a try. So that's exciting. At least I have my birth month, my Zodiac sign one. So that is everything for the bold. So that was $68. I mean, it's not bad. I think it's a really good deal if you don't have a lot of their products. If you already have a lot of their products, chances are you're gonna get doubles, right? So next we're gonna dive into Sweet. And this one should have one more product than the other one because we're not getting the bag. Oh. Okay. My kids are gonna love all this bubble wrap. All right. So, yes. Okay, so this is Melt Ultra Matte Gel Liner. I love gel liner. Is it black? Please tell me it's black. It's black. Yes. Okay, super excited about this. I do liquid liners sometimes, but I'm not very talented. And, kind of looks like a toddler did it, not gonna lie. So, whenever there is a gel liner that I can put on with a brush, generally it looks better. So that is item number one. Item number two is a little bullet. And I can tell you right now, if I put that on my lips, it's gonna look like I have concealer on. But it does have really cute etching. I'm not really sure if you can see, you know, but it does say like Melt Cosmetics all over it, etched in, which is super cute. But I mean, it's not gonna work for my skin tone, which is fine because I mean, they can't please everyone with these mystery boxes, right? So next we have Supernatural Lash. Ooh, I really like the packaging. Let's see what the one looks like. Okay, big chunk on the bottom. It looks chunky. Let me just. Maybe it's supposed to look that gross. I will try it. I have probably 30 mascaras, so I'm always willing to try something. So this one is an ultra matte bronzer in a different shade than the last one, I think. Let me see. I thought the last one would do me, but okay, so this is this one. So I'm not sure. Or is the color difference? I don't know. So I mean, I'm gonna have to test them and see which ones works with me and which one I'll just gift away to somebody or put it in a giveaway when we get enough people. Next we have a a gold pour. We got the same highlighter. So put that one back. We got a powder blush instead of the cream blush this time. And this is in the shade Nevermore. One thing I wish that these companies did that do the mystery boxes is put the prices of everything. I know we could go on the website and look at it all. It would take me way too much time. And I work like 60 something hours a week, so I don't have time for that. So there's that. And I can tell you right now, this is way too late for me. I will not be able to use this. So this is even lighter than the other one that I said was too late for me. So, I mean, there's that. We have a Max Hold Brow Gel. I just opened one in ice cream or Chic Beauty. So this is what it's gonna look like. I'll just show you the wand. Whoa. That. What? It stinks. Yeah, it really stinks. Generally, this is a huge wand for your brows. Like, I don't know. Like, I just get it everywhere. So that is our second to last item. Our last item being another palette, and this is again from the Zodiac one, but this is air, so it's Gemini, Libra, and Aquarius. Cute, nice little purple color. Just have a mirror, and this is more like something that I would wear versus what I actually got for my Zodiac sign one. But some nice purples. I mean, some like corally colors. I mean, definitely some shimmers. I really like this reckless one. It's kind of, you can't really tell, but it's like a baby purple. It looks white on the camera, but it's not. So that is all for our Melt Cosmetics. I mean, I got two bronzers that were pretty similar in shades. Obviously, one will work for me, one will probably work for me. So there's that. We got two different cream blushes that will not work with me because they are so light, but you cannot please everyone, and they have to go with what's gonna work for the majority of the people, I'm sure. I also got two of the Gold Ore highlights, which was nice. It was definitely gold, and you can use it as an eyeshadow, but I definitely don't need two. So overall, I think it was worth it based on what else we got, but they are pretty pricey. That being said, I mean, I still think it's worth it. But if you shop at Melt Cosmetics quite often, what you're probably gonna have, you know, a mascara, you're gonna have a bronzer and a blush and a highlight already. So in those instances, it probably wouldn't be worth your time. But for me, I mean, I do have some Melt Cosmetics stuff, but not a lot. And I mean, I like to try new products, so this works for me, and anything that I got double, then I will just put in a giveaway. But like, subscribe, hit the notification bell so that you can see my upcoming videos. I'm having, you know, every 2 to 3 days putting up a video or two. I have a whole bunch stockpiled ready to go up. When we do have enough subscribers, I will start be putting these into giveaways, all of my extra stuff that I won't use. So Remember to subscribe. I'll see you later. Bye, guys.